Hey guys, so happy Tuesday, day 7 of online learning. How to think about that for a second. I just want to go over where you can find your work for today like I've been doing. So here we go. This is the announcement that you're going to see posted today, day 7, Tuesday. I'm just reminding you on here first that I will again be hosting a Zoom video chat meeting today from 1 to 2 p.m. for reading and writing, okay? It's a time to ask questions. I am happy for you guys to have the first 5 minutes of that meeting to chat and catch up with each other and say hi, because I know we all miss each other. Believe me, I miss you guys a lot. But a lot of that time, though, is spent answering questions, discussing anything you guys want to discuss that has to do with the reading or writing work for that day, okay? So that's a reminder. If you don't have questions, you can still get on. I don't want to just say you can't get on without questions, but I would really enjoy it if you could either mute yourself then, or if you don't want to mute yourself because you still might have something to say, which is totally fine. I'm happy if you need to speak up in the middle of it. Just don't keep it muted, but sit there quietly, okay? I don't want everyone talking at once because it can be a lot. And the link's here to join that again from 1 to 2 today. The following things that you'll need to do is to watch this video. The link will be right here when you log in for you to click on it, because I'm going to upload it to my YouTube as well. Then I need you to go to morning meeting slide for today, for Tuesday. You'll really like today's prompt. It has to do with food. So go check out the morning meeting slide for Tuesday. And then I want you to go again and look at the checklist that I've attached. It has everything you need to complete for today. It will be at the bottom of this when I click add and post this, because I still have to post this still. It's in the editing process. But there'll be the checklist down here for on-level math kiddos and advanced math kiddos, just to have that to go through for the day. Remember, it has everything you need for reading, writing, math, optional science, because that's the unit we'd be doing right now, and today's specials art, okay? And then for reading today, you'll have a new ReadWorks passage. It'll be different than yesterday's. Yesterday's you'll probably still have available because I'm not having you turn it in until the end of the week, all 5 of them. But you'll need to make sure you go ahead and work on the new one for today. Each reading group has a separate text, so it's assigned to you by reading groups. So for example, Jacob's going to have the same one as Addison because they're in the same reading group, and Royce will have the same one as Amy, and so, okay? Please do that ReadWorks passage every day. Read it, answer the questions, submit it, okay? You can go and click on it through your Google Classroom. 15 minutes on iReady reading and read to self. Then for your writing, your trampoline opinion writing that you started yesterday, today you're going to be writing your introduction attached to the writing post, and I'll attach it here as well. I made a video modeling my own piece of writing. I made my own trampoline writing, and I modeled how to write the introduction. So the hook, the connecting sentence, stating your opinion, and your 2 reasons. You will see that video attached here, and I'll also have it on my YouTube for you guys. And that's for your writing today, writing the introduction. You can also find it under Tuesday's helpful videos. Today's special is art, so there's an art assignment in Google Classroom under the title Specials. If you found your PE one yesterday, it's in the same spot, just titled Art. Take your brain break if you need it. And then for math, you have your Khan Academy, another assignment today. I know it looks like there's a lot at once because there's 5 or 6 links, but each link is a video and maybe 2 questions. So altogether, those 6 links or 5 links for each day take about 20 to 30 minutes. So anything that has to relate to that day's topic. So for on-level math, you're doing measurement. Anything that has measurement next to it, like mass, volume, all of that, is what you need to do that day. For my math class, it is dividing decimals today. 15 minutes on iReady. Oop, that says reading. Just change that to math. And then green light on reflex. Guys, this is a time for you to be getting basically 100% fact fluent, okay? You don't have as much time in school every day to do reflex, but you've got plenty of time on the screen lately, okay? We're checking that every day. This week, all your work's graded, so make sure you're reading all of this and completing everything that's due each day, okay? And this is Tuesday's work. So, helpful videos, make sure you check there for your writing helpful videos, reading, and math. And then also, everything that I've listed here will also be on that checklist, that file that I'm going to attach to the bottom of this post as well, okay? Make sure you watch the writing one if you need help with the introduction, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Bye, guys.